And thanks to everybody who sent me the flowers. As you can see, they're really, really beautiful. I love them so much. No, I'm not nobody for hug me. God, no. When you hug me, it no. You just take, you know, allow me. Forget it out. I'm not nobody for hush me. I don't want to pity me, if you sorry for me. I just, as I say, I just really, really need prayer. Trust me, I just really, that me need. I just need the prayer. And I have to, you know, I'm still trying to focus. I try to focus on the fact that, you know, God bring her back so I can tell her, so I love her, and she can tell me that back. And that in itself is such a blessing to me. I will never forget that. And as much as I'm hurt that God took her away from me, I'm not mad at him. I won't blaspheme against him ever, because he has always been good to me. And he has always been faithful to me. And everything that I've asked him for, he has given to me from start. So I know that he will give me the strength. The fact that he bring her back, show me say he might look out for me on a real. And people were really attacked about sacrifice. Like, brother, I need them to understand, say. You see, social media, in case you never notice, social media is a thing where, yeah, I use it a lot. It's my biggest platform. And I use it to promote myself and my music and, you know, help me get over there. But there are things that you can never get me to really do, which is get angry over comments. You get me? And you see, in a time like this, when my mother dead, and I come and talk about sacrifice, that show me that the devil himself said, no, so I need to go. I need to forget worked up over that. But I need enough to know as well, say, I really can find you. You get me? I really can. It's really not hard what I want, because God, you can't hide from God. And as I said, he is looking out for me. So we were talking about me sacrifice my mother on a sick as fuck. Sick, you fuck. Sick. Brother, on a sick. And let me tell you this. You see, as much as don't see me get hate on social media, I've never received any energy like that in real life. Never. Everywhere I go, I love nobody. Nobody never yet style me yet in person. All I'ma show them full. You get me? So that really show you say social media is not real life. I'm need enough to understand that. All of my shengings are really sometimes when I get worked up. I tell you, say, brother, it not stay say in a real life. Everywhere I go, I love. Everywhere I go. You get me? Social media is really just a front for some people. It's not a front for me, because I'm really who I am on social media in real life. And everybody who knows me can really tell you that. Every artist, every producer who meet me, them can tell, say, same way I must stay in person. Right? But I want to thank everybody who take the time out for sending a message to me. Like, I really, really appreciate it. These flowers make me feel, you know, better. It did make me feel better. I just have to accept, say, she not come back, even though sometimes, matter of fact, all the time, my heart just tremble. Yeah.